When we started to imagine what comes next for Anakeesta, we knew that the ride to the top had to be more than transportation. It had to make you look around as you're going up the mountain, to build anticipation that something special is coming. And remind you that the journey to the top of the mountain is part of the magic. That idea became the Crystal Express. A ride that is clear in every sense of the word, what you see, how you move, and where you're headed. With crystal clear cabins, a glass floor, you'll see the Smokies from a whole new perspective.
The Crystal Express is being built where our current lift stands, but that's where the similarities end. The new system will feature 56 detachable cabins for a smooth and enjoyable ride. It will move 2,000 guests per hour, more than 3 times our capacity now. It will cut down our ride time from 20 minutes to 4 minutes, giving our guests access to the top of the mountain faster. The cabins are designed with easy on and off loading, so families can roll strollers in and out with ease. The Crystal Express stretches 2,100 feet from base to top of mountain. At its highest point, you'll be 600 feet above Gatlinburg, with cabins floating nearly 80 feet in the air.
Before the views, before the adventure, before the mountaintop, suddenly you look down through the glass floor and you see the Smoky Mountains from a whole new perspective. That moment is the Crystal Express.